Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with two slays. Today, these slays are being brought to you by Klaiyi. I got a couple great deals for you guys. I can't wait to show you. Right now, I'm just showing you the gifts that they sent me. These are some braid jewels. They sent me a robe, y'all. Yay! Styling and profiling with my Klaiyi robe. Y'all think it's a game? Clearly it's not. Listen, the wig bag, don't be out here flopping. They sent me a shower cap, some of these good old ignorant lashes, and also, I didn't even know what that was, a little brush, makeup brush. Yes, I might use it. I don't know. It's cute though. They also sent me a lace melt holder down a melt luxury lace thing on my barber and a little ring. They just put stuff up in the box. They just tossed some stuff up in there. Thank you. Now for these two wigs. First up, we have this honey blonde baddie. Look at those curls. I want y'all to focus on the curls as is. So just know that everything that I do to style this wig, it's just because I'm doing the most, you guys. But you can cut the lace and go. I just want you guys to know that. This wig is very secure. It comes with enough combs. It comes with the elastic band, so you can go for a glueless install, okay? We're going to be doing something to this wig, though. We're really going to focus on that part, but I just wanted to showcase the wig before I started. We're just going to do a couple quick customizations, but I felt like you needed to see it as is, out of the box, so that you see what you're working with when you get the wig. All right, and you can gauge your level of customization requirements to what you have before your eyes. Now on to wig number 2. Look at this bombshell right here, baby. When I saw this color, I said, honey, this is me. This is me, and that's just on period. There's nothing you're gonna be able to tell me that suggests otherwise, okay? The curls are lovely. They're a little bit more loose than the last wig, but they are just as gorgeous. There's enough hair here in the density. You feel me? We don't look stressed out with this wig. I like that. I love the fact that this looks like I'm just gonna be able to plop this on. We're gonna play with the part on this one too. We're gonna do the same thing, okay? But I wanted to show you out of the box. You can wear this wig, okay? It's nothing. It's nothing. You can do it, put your back into it. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and style these baddies. I'm gonna start with this wig. Right here, I'm just cleaning up the part, y'all. That's totally optional. Y'all know I like to be ignorant on top of ignorant. You gotta find your own level of ignorance, okay? That's just where we are with that. Now, I'm gonna tint the lace, you guys. This is something that's also optional. I'm tinting it because a lot of times lace does not really capture my cafe au lait the way I would like to. And it could be great lace, you guys. I just like to go the extra mile, okay? When we're talking about these melts, we want to do the most sometimes, especially when it's as easy as a few sprays. Y'all, this right here, the Perfect Line Swiss Wig Grid Knot Concealer. Baby, let me tell you something. I used this before and I did it totally wrong. There is a very defined process to this product, and I'm going to show you how to use it on these wigs today. But right here, I'm just showing you the difference. Even when you bleach knots, you can still see the wig grid. The grid are those little holes, you guys. Those little tiny holes. Look at the difference here. Where her fingernail is, that's the grid. Those are the holes, you guys. Now look, go further back up that part. That's where she applied this concealer, you guys. It darn near looks like skin, okay? Y'all, the grid is gone. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, you guys, so for this wig, I'm going to use the shade Mitch. I have tan, Mitch, and Dan, and Mitch is right in the middle, so I'm going to use that. This is what you have to do. I did not do this last time. You have to soften the product first. So I let it sit in a cup of hot water for about 1.5 minutes. Then I was able to slide the product along the part, and I'm just going through defining with the side of that tube, just defining that part, smoothing the product, making sure it's a nice flat layer. And after about a minute, you guys, it was completely dry, no transfer onto the fingers. Now here you have to take the back part of your comb. I'm actually using the rat tail part, and you press the product into the lace until the knots and grid disappear. You add a few drops of your favorite oil. That kind of gets rid of any transfer, any extra product, and it also gives that part a nice moisturizing glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace on the wig, and then I'm gonna show you the final result of this. You guys, this product is absolutely amazing. You are about to be shocked, trust me, because I was. Also, let me tell you that this product is sweat resistant with cool water. It is waterproof. Look at that. Look at that before and after, you guys. Look closely. Do you see what I'm saying? I ain't lying to y'all. This is absolutely amazing. It goes perfectly with any wig that you want to show out with, basically. I'm going to do the same exact thing with this wig, but I'm going to use Dan this time because I just want to try those two colors. I wasn't sure which one I was going to like more for my particular shade, so I'm going to do Dan. I'm going to do the same exact process, you guys. I'm going to soften up the product. I'm going to make sure that I give this wig a nice pluck. This wig was very easy to pluck, you guys. The part was kind of already defined, so they made it very easy. It literally took me just about 10 minutes to pluck that. It was done and it was over with, okay? So that's where we are. The part already looks nice. I gotta admit that, you guys. So here I'm using the color Dan. It is a deeper brown than Mitch is. I've already softened it up. I'm just going down that part, and then I'm going to take the side of the tube just like I did last time, just define that part and kind of flattening that layer of product. And yeah, it really, after using this, I don't see how I could ever not use it. When I really want to define my part and get rid of those grids that are so hard to get rid of on lace, this product is going to do that. Look how it just complements that wig. Look how it just complements the wig, you guys. Now remember, guys, with cool water, this is waterproof and it's very easy to clean. You just go in with warm water, your favorite shampoo, bam, it's over with. Look at that. Look, guys, look. Very easy process. Just do, you have to take these steps in order for it to look like this, you guys. But look at that. That is so amazing. I'm shook. I'm shook. Now the only thing left is to apply the wigs, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead. We're gonna start with Miss Honey right here. I'm literally just putting a dollop of spray right there in the middle to tack down that middle part, and that's it. Nowhere else, you guys. I'm not going across the whole wig. I didn't need to, but I want y'all to see how seamless that part is. That is crazy. Y'all, it's over with. Here I'm just spraying. In my water bottles I have water, leave-in conditioner, and my favorite oil. All these things will be in the description box, you guys. I'm just gonna take some mousse here, go down these beautiful strands, brush through it, and leave it alone. Okay, leave it alone, let it dry. You can either use your blow dryer, you can let it air dry. Depends on what you have to do. If you're running late for revival, you might have to put the blow dryer to it. You feel me? But go ahead, tack it down in the front, especially if you're gonna be shouting. Okay? Look at that. That is so seamless. It's seamless and it's really, really cute, you guys. I'm liking this one. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about this one because the color, y'all. Yeah. This one turned out really, really cute. Look how beautiful those curls are, and you cannot beat that quick installation because y'all know we don't have all day. Even when we do, we don't. I definitely call this one a slay. I like her. Okay, you guys, let's finish off strong. I literally just plopped her on. I didn't even do the one little spray where that part is. Y'all, I think Dan is my color. I think Dan is my concealer color, you guys. But look at this wig. Look at that color. Ooh, that color does something to me, y'all. That, it just speaks to me. Look at those curls. I didn't use a spray. I didn't use a mousse. I just put this bad boy on. And look, I mean, the proof is in the pudding, baby. Look at that. Look, baby. You could throw that on and go to second service just like that. No reason to be late. So let me know in the comments, which one are you feeling? Are you feeling this one? Are you feeling that one? Which one you rocking out with? Decision. Oh, both of them. Because, yeah, they coming at it like that. All right, y'all. Until next time, peace, love, light. Y'all be good.